What's up guys, Rico here, co-owner ng Inspire Salon and then hairdresser na din. For today's video, gagawa tayo ng hair makeover, transformation. Target ng ating client for today's guys is milk tea ash. So base color milk tea ash and then highlight milk tea ash. So here ang ating previous color, meron sa baba. So proceed tayo sa application guys, gamit natin base color, half inch away hanggang ends ang ating application ng milk tea ash. Ito yung pang base color natin na ating ilagay sa ating client guys. So proper application lang ginawa natin. So here sa Inspire Hair Salon, talagang proper application ang gagawin natin. Guaranteed natin na maganda magiging result. So pagkatapos ng application na yan guys, proceed naman tayo sa ating pag-highlights. So tapos na yung base color, proceed tayo sa second process. Ito yung highlights naman. Gamit natin ang bleaching powder. 6% oxidizing lotion ang ginagamit natin para hindi masira ang buhok ng ating client. So after nyan guys, ito na yung result ng ating na highlights. Yan pa yung naka-pre-lighted, no? Yellow lang ang target natin kasi milk tea ash lang ang ating target hair color. So gamit natin dyan guys is shadow roots and then milk tea ash. So pagkatapos nilagyan yan, ito na, pin-lower na natin. Final blow dry. And then after naman, ito na final ng ating haircut sa ating client for today hair transformation. Ako nga pala yung guys, Rico, co-owner ng Inspire Hair Salon and then hairdresser na din. So yan ang pinaka-final touch ng ating hair transformation for today's video guys, milk tea ash, base color and highlights. So after yan guys, after 48 years ng ating process, ito na yung final na ating hair transformation. So yan yung first na final ng ating hair transformation. Kaso nga lang merong tumbler sa harap ni Ma'am May. So meron tayong another final result ng ating hair transformation for today's video. Rico pala to guys, Inspire Hair Salon co-owner. Located siya sa 25 Shorthorns Street, Project 8. Nasa second floor kami. So yan guys, mukhang happy naman si Ma'am May. Hanggang sa muli. Sa mga gustong magpagawa dyan, PM lang po kayo sa aming page. Bye!